Here's another ceiling fan video for you everyone. This is a 52-inch Hometrends fan. I got this from Donald Root at Fanimation. Overall not a horrible fan. Pretty decent really. It's got antique brass GE vents. It's flush mounted. It's got the 4-way light on it with the tulip shades and the cane blades. From 1995, I think, is what the date said. And Donald told me it came out of the bowling alley where he lives, so yeah. Let's start with the light. Light works. And we'll start off on high. Moves okay air. Not that great, but it's a pretty good fan otherwise, really. Give it a medium. Yeah, that's what the buzz is. That light socket's loose. And we'll go to low. So far, this is the biggest ceiling fan I've had in my own room here, so then I'll turn the fan off and the light off, and we'll do coast down. Might put something else in here. I like this fan, but I probably could find something else that would work a little bit better in here. But I like it. It might get put up somewhere for a while. I don't know though. Might put it in the kitchen maybe. Well, it'll be kind of high in the kitchen, but whatever. I do like the cane blades. Looks pretty good. But anyway, there's the 52-inch Hometrends. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.